Good day, everyone. I hope you all have an amazing day. Today, we're going to show you how add your IMOS camera into your Dahua XVR. Okay, let's do that. First, we open the web browser, import your XVR IP address here. Okay, waiting to open. Import your XVR password. Click on login. Okay, go to camera menu. Here, go to camera list. Okay, click on search device. Waiting to find your camera. Here is my camera. My camera is IPCK2E-3H1W. Imou Ranger 2, 3 megapixel. Okay, select the camera, click on add button. Okay, here click on edit. In password tab, we must import the camera safety code. Let me find it. Okay. 2, 9, 8. Okay, click OK. Waiting for a status. Okay, as you can see, my camera is added on my XVR so easily. Going to desktop, click on live view. Here, I think here my camera. Imou. Click on mainstream. Yeah. Okay. It's done. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you. Bye.